All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, you seen Dante earlier. He showed you this original hardwood flooring in Fullerton. Then he showed you the update when we had the entire floor filled with the putty to get in all the gaps and cracks. Here we are, finished. Look at this, man. Whew. You open up the door and it's like, pow! Yeah. Talked him into going with the clear and natural. It's a rental. I think the people that were here that just moved out have been here over 30 years. But with the clear and natural, you're going to save money. It makes everything light and bright. It's a rental. So if someone does move in and scratch it or damage it, it's a lot easier to take care of. Anyway, guys, it's been a fun day. Hope you enjoyed the videos. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, reach out to us. Any questions? We answer them, no matter where you're at in the world. All right, guys, enjoy.